Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive insurance how to cancel online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel progressive, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in progressive.com, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Once logged in, tap on the contact option on the bottom of your screen, and you can either call on the given number or simply tap on the see more contact options as well. Then once you're there, you'll be able to use the live chat on Progressive website. Several users report successfully cancelling their policy via the Progressive web chat. And then next is to provide your policy number, the date you want cancellation to take effect, and if you are switching the details of your new insurance policy, then you can also use the send email option as well. Once done, all you gotta do is simply select a topic from here, and you can select one of the options and include your details like name, email, policy or claim, and once done, all you gotta do is tap on submit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.